Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to lock WhatsApp web with a password. By following these simple steps, you can add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp web experience. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type in the search bar, WOIT web plus for WhatsApp. Step 3. Click on the link that is for Google Chrome. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. When it opens, go to the Enhancement tab. And in the Privacy section, click on Set Password next to Enable Lock Screen. Step 8. Type in the password you want and then check the box next to Enable Lock Screen. By enabling this feature, you can now lock your WhatsApp web with a password, ensuring that only you have access to your conversations and media. It's a great way to protect your privacy and keep your messages safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to add a password lock to their WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.